Hey, it's Abhi here. Welcome to the video. I'm here with my trusty whiteboard and I want to tackle a problem that a lot of you have. So first, let me ask you a question. Does this one thing stop you from building a real affiliate business? And that one thing is the fear of being on camera. Yes, I get it. You are an introvert, you are a thinker, overthinker, analytical thinker, whatever that you want to call. You are not some high energy, you don't have that high energy guru that normally people on YouTube have, and you don't want to be that. That would be a fake person of yours. So in the end, you sit on the sidelines because you think the only way to succeed is to be a personality. I'm here to tell you that it is a lie and I can actually prove it. This is over $2,500 in affiliate commissions from just 491 views, and this was all done without me ever showing my face on camera. Look, you do not need to be a YouTuber. Right? Don't be a YouTuber. What you need to be is a problem solver. A problem solver. There is a difference here. So let me explain that a little bit. Okay, so the secret is to stop thinking about subscribers. The problem with you all are you are thinking in terms of views, you are thinking in terms of subscribers. Stop doing that. It will naturally grow. It will be a byproduct of your efforts, right? You need to think in terms of systems. This is the right way to think about it. You can build an entire reliable six-figure business using simple faceless videos like screen recordings, whiteboard videos that I'm doing right now here. You can do slides, right? And everything should be solving a problem. Right now, I'm solving a specific problem here. I'm showing you that you do not need to be on camera. A faceless YouTube channel works just fine and it can build a six-figure affiliate business if you just keep it simple and if you just keep solving problems, if you just keep answering these questions that people have. All right. So faceless is perfectly fine. And the most powerful version of faceless videos are faceless review videos. Why? Because people search for a review, they come to your video, right? These are buyer intent views that comes to your video, and if they make a decision, you make commissions. But a lot of people know about this already, right? A faceless review video is the most powerful form of videos that can make you commissions without a following, without any audience here. But people still get it wrong. They still get it wrong, and they make like these 20-minute long videos or even 3-minute videos that are boring and don't convert, right? There is a specific system, there is a specific anatomy that you need to follow in order to create that correct faceless review video to actually sell a product and make affiliate commissions. So today I'm going to give you the blueprint. This is the 5-part anatomy of a perfect faceless video that actually sells. Now for a better understanding, I have jotted down the exact 5 points that I want to talk about, and this is the 5-part anatomy of a high conversion video. All right, high conversion review video. So the number 1 is 15-second hook. Let me just make it a little small here. The first one is the 15-second hook. Whenever someone starts your video, start by calling out the exact pain point that product solves, right? For example, are you getting traffic but no sales? And this is the exact problem that I solved in my previous video. So if you have this problem of getting views, getting clicks, but you're not actually making sales, then I highly recommend you watch my previous video. But yeah, this is a problem. And if there's a product that solves this, call out this problem. That's a hook. That's a strong hook, right? Then you talk about the solution. Don't talk about yourself. Do not make the video about yourself, okay? Immediately introduce the product that is the solution to that pain point, all right? Then the how. Now, this is not a long, boring tutorial, right? You just need to screen record yourself showing the 1 or 2 most valuable features of the product that solve the pain you mentioned in the hook. That's it. Once people get by these 2 sections, right, they are hooked to your video, right? And now they are interested in your how, and you show them the how. Now they get a reason to actually buy that product. Now the 4th point would be the why me, and this is where your bonus comes in, right? In this top section, they have made a decision whether to buy the product or not. Let's say they have made a decision to buy the product. Now your job is to convince them to buy that product from your affiliate link. All right. And this is where your bonus comes in. This is the most crucial part. You must give them a reason to buy from you. And this is where you offer your unique bonus stack that fills a gap that product leaves or increases the value of that product. All right. So if you do this successfully, then the next thing is the clear call to action, right? The CTA, short for call to action. It's a clear, simple, direct call to action, like to get this product plus my exclusive bonuses, click that first link in the description. Very simple, very straightforward, and you're done. So this right here are the 5-part anatomy of a high conversion video. This entire system, how to create the high converting review video, how to create the bonus from scratch using artificial intelligence, using ChatGPT, using Gemini with a complete case study. It is a part of my buyer wave method and also a part of my affiliate commission engine. Combining this, right, you get all the tools required, all the knowledge required from finding the offer to building the Faceless channel and email automation. And for the next few days, I am offering this in a bundle plus a case study as well, right? Where I do everything with you. A case study is also including in ACE and also in BWM. And apart from them, there is another case study. These are very highly valuable. And I believe, I created as an affiliate for affiliates, right? I have been in this hellhole for a lot of time. I have struggled a lot, and I created this with one specific reason in mind, and that is to make things simple, extremely simple to follow and be consistent. And this is not any shiny object, and there is no fake hypes around it. All right, it is simple. You follow this system from A to Z, right? Do this consistently and you will build a consistent income that you want with affiliate marketing. That's my goal with this. And also, of course, you get my help as well. If you have any questions, you can email me. You can add in the Facebook group. You get access to the Facebook community. You can post in that group. If you need new videos, if you think that something is unfinished or you're not understanding, I can create another video for you. This is not just a one and done training here, right? This is the ultimate blueprint for introverts who want to build a real business without ever showing their face. That's what I do. That's what you see in this video here. So this is what the sales page looks like. I have included everything from my buyer wave method to affiliate commission engine and the case study. If you want, you can get it. You can just go ahead, check the sales page and see exactly what you're getting. And all of this is just for a one-time price. And this is a special offer. There is a timer somewhere around here, and about 10 days remaining now. And mind you, this is not fake scarcity. The price will increase because I am giving away insane value here. Anyway, if you want to check it, you can click that first link in the description. And I hope you found value here in this 5-part anatomy of a high conversion review video. If you just follow this, you will do far better than 90% of marketers out there who are trying to create review videos and sell affiliate products. And if you do it correctly, you will make some affiliate commissions. All right, that's about it in this video. I will see you in the next one. Cheers.